Across Britain's protests, a handful of YouTubers have become lightning rods for rage. Today, 3 confrontations that show just how fast a crowd can turn.
Lefties! Hey, how are you? What's your real name? I'm gonna be respectful. What's your real name? Whoa! Oh, it's Ponytail. What's with the physical attacks? Please stop it, lefties. You're meant to be all peace and love, we're all equal, we're all the same. The question is, Ponytail, what does trans rights have to do with socialism? Pigeon Nose is pushing, she's getting aggressive. Lefties, come on, lefties. Come on, now. Why are you... Don't walk into it. Where's the Nazis, Fred? Where's the Nazis? Whoa, what? Oh, please, don't touch me. Please don't reverse into us. They've pushed us back about 4 meters now. They're still pushing us back. We'll stand here. They better not touch us. Guys, stop pushing into us. Seriously. This is now assault on their behalf. Let's go now.
That's a good time to go, mate.
Yeah, let's go. Reverse that. Bye-bye, lefties.
Charlie Veitch wasn't the only YouTuber to face hostility on Britain's streets. In Brighton, another creator found himself surrounded, this time for holding a sign.
Yeah, just don't stand in my personal space. Right, I'm absolutely surrounded now by 1, 2, 3. Will you stop? You just hit my camera then. How many is this?
You could leave.
Will you stop knocking my hat off? You're being violent now. My camera and you've knocked my hat. Okay.
You can also leave though.
Yeah, but I shouldn't have to though.
We're trying to make you leave. That's the point.
You've grabbed my camera, you've grabbed my hat, you have, all right, and you're pushing me. There you go. Covered me in hot sauce.
Soup, actually.
Just been covered in soup again. I'm absolutely not going anywhere now.
I asked you nicely to move, so move out the way right now. Look at that, how do you think this is okay?
Mate,
let him out. No, he can go. Why are you all faceless?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing masks?
An allegation against this person covered me in soup. Every one of these has assaulted me and it's all on camera.
I can't go until you've gone, just because I don't want anything else happening.
Well, people are going to follow me probably. I'm just going to wait here and check that we're not being followed. Okay. So you're following me, right?
No, I'm making sure you leave. The policeman told you to leave.
My name's Steve.
Fire, police, or ambulance.
That's my stuff, mate. Don't steal that. Just stolen my property and he's running off with it now. Are you going to let go of my stuff?
No, no.
Well, get off my stuff. You're stealing my stuff.
Hello?
At our final protest, a familiar face appeared, and another YouTuber found themselves in the same position.
Trans persons do not women for sexual offences.
You don't need to stand right next to him like that.
There are fewer than one. Ensuring your voice is heard, protected.
Let me get the police. Let me get the police. No, let me get the police.
The best judge. We've been
Stop pushing on us. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Stop pushing us, you dickhead. You pushing. You're literally against us pushing us.
Asking politely for use. We've been trying to.
What are you doing?
Trans rights is human rights.
You're really going to keep pushing against us?
On the streets, it's free! 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 On the streets, it's free!
You're continuing to push me. You are continuing to push me. I am doing nothing.
These moments aren't isolated. They're part of a growing pattern on Britain's streets. Were the reactions justified? Or did the line between passion and aggression go too far? Leave your verdict below, and subscribe if you want more real-world clashes caught on camera.